Welcome to Bent Creek Preserve here in North Naples. We're so excited that you could join us, my colleague Mary Endress and myself Lisa De Silva, here in front of 9462 Greenleigh Court. Let's go ahead inside and check out this amazing home.
When you first walk into this home, the welcoming entryway leads to an open concept floor plan with large windows that look out on the lake beyond. There's room for everyone with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. The beautiful contemporary kitchen has a large central island topped with stone with some lovely movement in it, which is also matched by the backsplash. Upgraded appliances and 42-inch cabinets make cooking here a dream. Included with this home is the Savant Pro Smart Home System, which allows you to control the lights, the fans, the temperature, and even the locks on the doors from your smartphone.
Bent Creek Preserve is a gated community that offers a number of amenities to its residents. You can enjoy basketball, bocce, working out in the gym, as well as time by the pool under a cabana. When you're ready to schedule a private showing of this property, you can check us out on the web at www.signalhousegroup.com or call us at 239-302-0846. Lisa De Silva and Mary Endress of Signal House Group at Compass.